all pages done. So okay, this is our dashboard, this is our product, warehouse, sales, employee, customer, supply, system, user, roles, edit, log, report, setting. So all pages we have set up here. So checking the add product working fine. Warehouse, add warehouse, you can add sales, you can create invoice, also you can put the edit, all option is here. So employee, you can also the update here. Hello viewer, we want to create the complete ERP application from the scratch. Check that there is no ERP folder, so we are getting in behind, so there is no ERP folder in my here. So we are creating the new folder automatically create from the command. So just copy the command and comes here, implement here. So it will create the complete modern ERP application. The complete ERP application will be created here. So we will next continue to next order. So wait for it. So this called it the ES for default use. So need to wait to complete the process. So you have to wait now. So check the now modern ERP folder has been created, and all type of folder is creating from this command. Now it also command is running now, so we have to wait to complete the process. So wait, and okay, the end command. Now go to the folder modern ERP, and then others prompt, then install this the npm shutdown cdn. So put the shutdown cdn here and click. Now done. Another command. Now this, in the next command, put it and run this, run done. So another command, prisma install for the db. So prisma init. So when prisma done, then we put next command, done. So next command, finally the next command put here. After the command, we need to check our project structure. This is the project structure now. So now down. So another command now put. So this is now complete our ERP application. Where is the product? Also add product. You can click this. Also you can add this employee. Also you can add here employee. Sales. We create invoice also. So report, here is showing report. There is no report at this time. And setting, you can change the setting, security and appearance here. So our database is, this database is showing now. So this is the role permission, customer 3, employee 5, supplier, and everything, product variant, user is 1, and log out and log it option when you put from the guest. So this is our guest, so you can put here is the forget password option. So back to login, create account, everything is here. So this is the complete ERP application. Here is the next development, something development in this. This is our code. So full code is here. So here need development, same thing. Here is it like add supplier. Need to add supplier, warehouse stocks. Here stock management need to put. So we need to put the stock management, inventory management here, and role permission and audit log. So rest of the drugs we need to put, so I am putting now. So after sometimes we will put this. Now all page is done. So okay, this is our dashboard, this is our product. What have sales, employee, customer, supply, system, user, roles, edit log, report, setting. So all pages we have set up here. So checking the add product working fine. Warehouse, add warehouse, you can add sales, you can create invoice, also you can put the edit, all option is here. So employee, you can also the update here, you can roll update it. So customer, this is a customer, you can edit also the customer. Also you can add a customer, just click add a customer, you can put add a customer. Supplier, you can add supplier, you can edit supplier. So add supplier here. So system user, there is a system user, you can add system user, manage. This is the access role permission system. With role, there is 3 roles already. So audit log, here is audit log system, export audit log option. Report, here also we show you report an existing setting is sitting here. So this is the complete modern ERP application where you can show everything is download, report, renew transaction. The modern look, the dashboard UI also you implemented, so you can check this. So thank you. Any update or any issue, you can contact me in the WhatsApp, we will update for you. So any customized application we can also build for you. Thank you. This is the totally custom built application. Nextjs, so complete is script in the, I will upload it in the GitHub, you can download from here. Thank you, bye now.